Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid nose strips. First, start with a clean canvas. Wash your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or excess oils. This ensures the strip can adhere properly. Next, gently wet your nose with warm water. This step is crucial for activating the adhesive and helping the strip work its magic effectively. You're now ready for the next step. Now it's time to apply the strip. Carefully peel the nose strip from its plastic backing, being sure not to touch the adhesive side. This keeps it clean and sticky. Position the strip over your wet nose, pressing it down firmly. Take a moment to smooth out any air bubbles, ensuring full contact with your skin. This helps the hyaluronic acid do its best work. Once applied, let the strip work its magic. Allow it to dry completely for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it feels stiff to the touch. Avoid moving your face too much during this time. When it's ready, slowly and carefully peel the strip off. Start from the edges and pull towards the center of your nose for the best results. You'll be amazed. After removing the strip, you might notice some residue. Gently rinse your nose with cool water to remove any remaining bits. This also helps to close your pores. Finish by applying a hydrating serum or a light moisturizer to your nose. This will soothe your skin and lock in moisture, leaving your nose feeling soft and refreshed. Enjoy your smooth skin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.